The question I want to address today are some simple tips to be better at public speaking presentations. Now these are simple, but these are the most effective. Number one, practice. This is hands down the only way to deliver a really good presentation. Every time you practice it, you'll get better. Every time you practice it, you'll be more confident. And while some people think that they rise to the occasion, really what happens on the day is you fall to your level of preparation. So if you've given the talk in front of the mirror to friends whilst walking your dog, if you've given it 10 or 20 times, you are going to deliver a much better presentation than if you wing it and think you're going to rise to the occasion. So tip number 2 is to actually know your first 60 seconds and your last 60 seconds off by heart. Practice the first minute and the last minute more than you practice the rest of the presentation. This way you start strong and you get through the nerves because you're very confident about what you're going to say, and finish strong. The first 60 and the last 60 seconds are the most important. And third tip to give a really good public presentation is to actually weave in 3 to 5 stories that you know really well and tie them back to the point you're making or the topic that you're talking about. But when we tell stories that we've told many times before and that we're confident about delivering, and they're personal anecdotes and they're interesting, then this makes it much more powerful because you're confident delivering it. But secondly, they're stories that typically the audience are going to relate to and it's going to resonate with them. So if you can practice, if you can know your first 60 seconds and last 60 seconds, and finally, if you can weave in 3 to 5 stories that you've told many times that you can relate back to your topic, you're going to give a fantastic presentation. Hope that helps. My name's Adam Franklin. See you later.